Introducing FloorLogic, an integrated mopping system. You will need one FloorLogic bucket, one lid with activator port, one FloorLogic cap, one roll of 70 microfiber mops, and a 16-inch mop frame with handle. Take the microfiber mop roll and place it at the bottom of the bucket, ensuring that the perforated edge of the roll is facing upwards. Fill the bucket with 5 quarts of cold water up to the labeled fill line. Feed the perforated edge of the mop through the underside of the flexible dispenser port and pull upwards. Secure the lid on the bucket, pressing tightly on the dispenser port closure and edges of the lid. Twist to tighten cap until it snaps and releases the concentrate into the bucket. Leaving cap attached to lid activator, gently shake the bucket to fully dilute the product. To access mops, open the dispenser port, pull upwards and separate the mop at the perforation. Then push to close and secure dispenser port. Place the mop on the floor and press down with the mop frame to attach. You are now ready to mop the desired area.